Hey guys, so I am just super excited. One, I worked all day and then I got to do a live with Tracy Boyle and she's in Australia and I just love watching her over many years of my career with everything that she does in the industry. And so I'm on a little bit of a high from that, but then my day gets better. I go and check the mail and in less than 5 days from the UK, Nailchemy asked me, they said, we want to see how shipping is to the United States. And so we were wondering if we could just send you some products and see how it went. And you let us know when you get them. I was like, really? Like, yes, okay. 5 days ago, this was in UK. And today, it's in my lap. What's fun is I have no clue what's in it. And so I'm going to open it with you guys to not only show that I just still am blown away. Like usually when I order things, honestly, like I sent candy to one of my friends that's in the UK. I spent $25 on candy and I spent $37 on shipping and she still doesn't have it. And I mailed it almost 3 weeks ago. Because on average, what I find when I do shipping internationally, it's about like 3 weeks. I don't know how Nailchemy got this to me in 5 days from the UK. Hi, Kim. But it's proof that internationally, maybe I can mail myself to you guys over there in like less than a week, right? I think I could survive without food or water for a week. Anyway, so I thought I'd open this with you guys because how exciting is that? Like, what a great day. I still am completely blown away that 5 days ago this was in the UK. I can say that we have a blizzard here and it still made it to me. And I can feel that this is kind of cold. So I do worry about, I won't open the products yet because we need to let them come to room temperature. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. Hi, Kim. Well, how cool is this? They sent me MSDS sheets. You know how hard it is for us to get these sheets? And they willingly sent me, there must be a lot here, which makes me even more excited because I have 2 thick amounts of MSDS sheets. Ah, get in there. So Dave and Haley Partridge messaged me one day and said that they just wanted to see with our new company how international shipping would work, and they wanted to know if they could mail me some products and then just me track the shipping. And I was like, well, yeah, absolutely. And so how fun is this? So thank you, Dave, and thank you, Haley, for choosing me in the United States to be able to have fun with this. I don't know, but it's packed full. And fun. You know, it's like opening a present inside of a present inside of a present. Guys, this is packed full of stuff. Oh my gosh. What? They even sent me something personalized. Oh my gosh, old-fashioned. I'm so impressed already and I haven't even gotten to your product. Just your shipping and this packaging alone. The sad thing is I'm going to have to put on some glasses. And I think I already moved them away. How cool is that? I know, Cam. It's super awesome. I got a letter. School of Nail Art and Glitterology. Ooh. Some glittery stars. You know, it's funny, as I saw Phoenix Van Dyke this morning did, her theme this morning was in the heavens, and she actually did a live this morning using little tiny stars like this. So I'll have to call Phoenix and tell her I can mimic her artwork that she did today. Let me see if I can read this without my glasses. Wednesday, the 28th, March 2018, Miss Amy Masters. Dear Amy, we are pleased to inform you that your magical nail supplies are included in this package, and we would like to welcome you again to the world of Nailchemy and Glitterology. You are a nail chemist, Amy. And it says it really big. By the mixing of nail art potions with your new Nailchemy supplies, we hope that you will help to bring you good fortune and smiley clients. May all of your nail art be magical and filled with love, and actually signed from Haley Partridge. What a nice touch. Like a Hogwarts letter. It does. How fun is that? Okay, I've ordered, like actually ordered from so many companies around the world, and never has anybody given me a handwritten letter with my order. I'm impressed again. All right. So, more MSDS sheets and an invoice, which I can't read that fine print, but okay, guys. Holy buckets. What's this? Oh, look at this. I don't know what it is. It's a magic wand. Look at that. Can you get, I'll put it up against my fireplace. That is a Lush brush. Wow. Thank you, Haley and Dave, for choosing me to be a part of your, you're gonna make me cry, to be a part of not only Nailchemy as a nailchemist with that letter, but let me be able to play with obviously some pretty Lush stuff. And that was just the first thing I opened. Oh my gosh. Well, I see a magnet that I can do dragon eye and cat eye with, so I have a feeling, because I did kind of look at their website after they messaged me, I have a feeling that a lot of this stuff is going to be dragon eye and cat eye. Look at this. So these are really cold, so I would open them up and swatch them for you guys. But here's one thing I've learned is when I've gotten shipments, especially where I am in Wyoming, and these shipments have set in cold weather, it can, you know, alter and freeze the product. So let it come down to room temperature before you open and play with them. Because many times I've opened something that's been frozen, I open it up and the bristles come right off. Or it alters the chemical of it. So let it settle out, and then I have a shaker I put in my shaker. So I'm not sure what this is, but it says top coat and it's called Wolf's Hair. Onyx. So I'm assuming these are gel polishes. Velvet matte. Look at the packaging. And this is a brand new company. Like they just started like 6 months ago. And they're already shipping internationally. And you can tell already how professional their kit is. Yeah, I don't know what all of these are. Gel paints. What? And it looks, I don't want to open it yet, but it looks kind of pearlized. More gel paints. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for my clients tomorrow. My clients, every time I get something new, my clients are in for a treat, but you know how you budget yourself and tell yourself that you can only get, I mean, so I've 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 gel polishes, 2 gel paints, that brush, some stars, a magnet, and I'm still opening. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I budget myself and tell myself that I can only spend X amount on new things each month because I've been in the industry for a long time. And I know that we could easily go poor every time we see something new. And so my clients are going to be in for a great surprise because apparently I got some product I can play with. Ooh, some glitter. And that's a super fine glitter. That looks like the little angel dust glitter. So did you guys get nail mail? Did you go live in our group and show us what you got? Like, this is exciting stuff. Oh my gosh. That looks like an black chrome. It looks like it's black. Wow. Can you see it in the lid? I better not do that, I'll spill it out. That is a highly fine prismatic hollow black. So I don't know that it's a black chrome, but I could turn it into one. Open up. And a gold one, a gold hollow. And look, there's more. Hey, Heather. So excited. What? Look at that, guys. Well, Dave and Haley, I can say, once again, I have ordered many, many, many products. Never has any come personalized to me. The packaging, phenomenal. It got here in 5 days from the UK. I'm blown away. So I'm curious, how much did you have to pay? I don't know that it tells me, because I just mailed candy and it cost me $37 to mail it. So, you know, is this feasible? Can this really happen? Can us in the United States have your product at our desk this easily and this nicely packaged? I'm blown away, and I have a new cup. So thank you so much for choosing me to be your recipient, and I'm super excited. And it's like 8:15 at night here. I haven't even eaten dinner yet because I did live with Tracy, and I kind of want to skip dinner and just play now. But I'm gonna let it thaw out. Rhonda, you got some Max products today. I got a new bit from Max. Just it came in a couple days ago, and I ordered the pink diamond barrel, and I used it today. Wow, it's smooth. It's really good. Rhonda, go live and show us what you got, because that's the excitement of us really seeing the products more than what the company showcases it for us. Like, does it really ship that way? Does it really come that way? Well, when you open up live, we get to see how it really does come. So, yes. Kim, I'm going to mail myself to you because I think I can go without food and water for about 5 days if I can mail myself there. Yes, yes. Vivica, I agree with you. The internet is taking nails or us to new levels so wonderfully. I love it. And you got your D&D polish, Kim. Great, you get to play too. I love it. Well, I would swatch all of this stuff, but like I said, I better wait. You're too chicken. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. If nothing, send a picture of what you got so that we can kind of relish in what you ordered. So guys, I'll go live swatching some of this stuff and having some fun and showing you guys some more nail art, as I always do, because I enjoy it so much. So thanks again for making Tech Talk Worldwide. It grows so fast. Our member requests are unreal every single day, and I absolutely love that. That's because of you guys. It's because you're believing in us and you're sharing that. And I love it. And did you guys see yesterday we started the hashtag TTW365? So it means every day we are going through pictures that have that hashtag and that you've given us a description of what you're using. And the reason why is we want to promote you sharing your work, and we want to promote sharing what products we're using to achieve that kind of look, because that's our main question, is how do I achieve this look? How do I do this? And our group is based off of education, and we want us to help each other and get from the source. Like today, you know, with Tech Talk Live, be able to get the education and the knowledge from the source makes it more real, and it makes us more passionate about what we do. And so you get excitement like what I do. And so anyways, with hashtag TTW365, we pick a picture every day that has used the hashtag and it has used the description of what they used. And to pay you back, we're just going to pick them randomly, and we're going to send you a certificate of recognition. And they're wall-worthy, nice certificates that you can print off, because how great of a feeling is it to not only be networking, but be recognized by our peers and other people in the industry. And, you know, it's good. It feels good when our clients choose us, but when our peers choose us, it's an extra little oomph, and I want to be able to share that with you guys. So I think my admin, my group, we are amazing, and behind the scenes we're always coming up with ideas. So I thank the admin for I don't know, keeping the vision alive of what our group is for. And I thank you members for being active and staying positive and really truly opening up and sharing, you know, how to help each other get to the next level. And that's what this is all about, is just being us and being able to share that knowledge. So anyways, Kim gets Koopa gel. Yes, and you got some new brushes too, Kim, that I can't wait for you to go live and kind of show us how those work too. Because I need some new brushes, which I just got a new pretty bling one. So exciting. Anyways, thanks again, Nailchemy, for choosing me to see how the shipping went and sending me some fabulous stuff. I can't wait to play. And I'll see you guys in a few days. Thank you so much.